The solution to the pandemic, a COVID-19 vaccine, could be mere months away. But pharmaceutical companies still have to get approval from Health Canada. And some Canadians are hesitating on whether they'll actually take it. As Carolyn Jarvis reports, it's the speed of development that's proving to be most important and for some, most concerning.
Could be first in line, I would, yes.
Phase 3 trial, sign me up.
No.
There are usually mistakes when you typically rush things in general.
Across the country, Canadians are polarized on whether they'll take a COVID-19 vaccine once it's ready.
Talking about getting a vaccine out in 2021, that is unparalleled in anything that's happened before in vaccine history.
Ipsos polling on behalf of Global News shows a little more than half, 54% of people agreed that they would take a COVID-19 vaccine as soon as it's approved. 61% of Canadians believe a vaccine should be mandatory, but there is some hesitation. When asked about concerns over long-term side effects, 82% of us prefer to wait for reports that the vaccine is safe and effective before taking it.
The situation is analogous when seatbelts were introduced in cars. People said, oh, seatbelts are dangerous. What if I crashed into a creek and couldn't get out and drowned? And it took a while for people to see, oh, lives are being saved by wearing seatbelts, and gradually they were more and more adopted. So these things do take a little bit of time.
Before any vaccine is released to the public, it will undergo a rigorous approval process by Health Canada.
What I want to say is that I will get the vaccine when it's authorized and when it's my time. I have absolute confidence in the Health Canada regulatory review process, and Health Canada will not authorize a vaccine if it should not be released out for Canadians.
Canada has signed agreements with the manufacturers of 7 different vaccine candidates, including Sanofi Pasteur, which is working on a vaccine in partnership with GlaxoSmithKline. It says the same steps are being followed as with any other vaccine.
We're not cutting corner, otherwise the vaccine would already be available now.
What's important now, say those who have studied vaccine hesitancy, is a robust messaging campaign to share the data with Canadians so they're informed to make their own decision.
There's a saying in vaccination, it's not vaccines that save lives, it's vaccination. A vaccine that remains in a vial is 100% safe, but 0% effective.
Carolyn Jarvis, Global News, Toronto.